Hello, virtual students and family. I am Miss Leonard, and in this video, we are going to discuss sample space. As you can see by the example on the banner, sample space is like heads and tails when you're flipping a coin, rolling a dice 1 through 6, and spinning on this 4-color spinner. The different colors are the sample space. And then one that is not uniform, where there is duplicates of a 6, and so there is a sample space that is not uniform. So it's a weighted dice. This assignment opens on Monday and is due on Wednesday. You can use a calculator, though many of these questions do not require. Make sure that you are watching this assignment and looking at the notes that go along with it. 80% or higher shows mastery, and you can redo this Google form 2 times total. You can access the textbook at the link provided, and if you need any extra Zoom help, then you can sign into the Zoom office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2:30 to 4:30 at that link, or email me or text me for more one-on-one. Remember, a sample space is the set of all possible outcomes in an experiment. So when we are working with 2 coins, we know that one coin has the options of a head or a tail. Then we can show the sample space by creating this experiment list as a list or as a table to show that you can have the options for heads. You can, for the second one, get a heads or a tails. So first heads, then a heads or a tails. Or you can get first tails, then a heads, then a tails. And so there are 4 different combinations in that sample space. You could show that in 3 different ways. We are going to work with particularly tree diagrams and lists. You might see a few tables in your examples. Tree diagrams, so if you're seeing the options for an outfit, then you have 3 different shirts and 2 different pants and 3 different pairs of shoes. So there is an option for this shirt with those pants and those shoes, as you can see as pinkly highlighted. But there are, if you count that very bottom row, that would be how many options that there outcomes that there are for that sample space. So 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 5, 3 times 6, sorry. 3 times 6, which is 18. So there's 18 possible combinations, outcomes. So the tree diagram is useful when we are looking for the outcome of an event, so the possible number of outcomes, because we can show that with our sample space. And so sample spaces are shown with tree diagrams. Be careful when you're looking at these different diagrams that you can notice that there are only 2 different pairs of shoes and only 2 different pant outfit options, and there are 3 different shirt options. Our options for flipping a coin, recall, are heads and tails, and then we have 2 coins as shown in the table. When we have 3 coins, you can calculate those outcomes. Flipping a coin and rolling a dice, you can see the number of outcomes and the final branches of the tree. Remember, the final outcomes are known at the final branches of the tree, so if you just count. And so many of these questions are asking for the total number of outcomes, which are shown at the very, very last part of the tree. So if you have any questions on sample spaces or anything about tree diagrams, please reach out and ask me. I hope that you were able to get as much information for sample spaces to complete this assignment. Thank you guys and have a great day.